Big news, SEC has withdrawn lawsuit from XRP. The last few days there has been real chaos on the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin lost $2,000 in just a few hours. XRP is no exception, which has fallen by 20% over the past few days. But XP's failures are also related to the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple. But, as it became known, Ripple can count on. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end to like and subscribe. Now, let's get back to the video. Also in this video we will show the lucky winner of giveaway free 500 XRP, and maybe it will be you, so watch the video carefully until the end. The SEC failed in its case against Ripple, and the judge presiding over the case ordered the first to hand over a speech by former CFO William Hinman about Ethereum, which works in Ripple's favor. The statement made by Hinman supports Ripple's case, questioning the legality of the fair notice defense. In 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission sued Ripple, with the latter bringing numerous charges against Ripple and its founders. The SEC alleged that Ripple sold and continues to sell XRP in violation of federal securities law. They stated that Ripple is aware. The SEC failed in its case against Ripple, and the judge presiding over the case ordered the first to hand over a speech by former CFO William Hinman about Ethereum, which works in Ripple's favor. The statement made by Hinman supports Ripple's case, questioning the legality of the fair notice defense. In 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission sued Ripple, with the latter bringing numerous charges against Ripple and its founders. The SEC alleged that Ripple sold and continues to sell XRP in violation of federal securities law. They stated that Ripple is aware of the status of XRP as a security. Since the lawsuit was initiated, Ripple and the SEC have been involved in a continuous exchange of documents that needed to be made available during the discovery process. For its part, Ripple has requested several documents related to the SEC's internal policy and communications. On Thursday, Ripple scored another victory as a federal judge ruled that the fintech startup could gain access to emails relating to a speech in which a former SEC official said Ethereum was not a security. This decision is important because it can help Ripple to prove convincingly that XRP is also not a security. The SEC has been ordered to turn over the emails as part of an ongoing case with San Francisco-based payment firm Ripple. The regulatory body will need to provide Ripple with emails containing drafts of an important speech delivered by the former director of the SEC's Corporate Finance Department in 2018, in which he concluded that Ethereum is not a security. The SEC's legal team has long argued that these emails and a host of other documents are subject to privilege, so they are protected from disclosure. The magistrate judge presiding over the case, Sarah Netburn, did agree with the SEC regarding a couple of these documents, but rejected the agency's arguments regarding others. As for the emails about the former SEC official's speech, Judge Netburn ruled that they were not protected by privilege because they contained his personal opinion, and not the opinion of the regulator. The personal views of agency employees are not protected by privilege, unless they are related to the formulation or implementation of policy-oriented judgments. Accordingly, emails concerning speech or drafts are neither preliminary or advisory documents subject to protection, the lengthy ruling says. The judge also pointed out that the SEC, however, will not have to hand over records of any meetings held between Ripple and SEC employees, as well as documents on the connection between the agency's cryptomaster Valerie Skapanik and the Office of the Ministry of Finance. The SEC sued Ripple back in December 2020 for allegedly receiving more than $1.3 billion from the sale of unregistered securities. Hinman's speech became critical for the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple, in which the agency claims that the crypto firm and its management members Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson knew that their digital asset XRP was a security, but still sold it to the public without the necessary registration. In its defense, Ripple has requested documents that show how Hinman came to the conclusion that Ethereum is not a security. The company hopes that such documents will help refute the SEC's accusations regarding the legal status of XRP. In other words, Ripple's lawyers are trying to figure out why Ethereum adheres to different standards. Although the judge's latest decision is a major victory over the SEC, it has nothing to do with the essence of the lawsuit, which is based on whether the XRP token is a security. Lawyers representing the SEC said that the documents that Ripple is asking to be made public contain employee discussions and are therefore protected from disclosure. However, the magistrate judge of the Southern District of New York, Sarah Netburn, ruled that while some documents are protected, other documents, including an email with Hinman's speech and other documents from meetings between SEC employees and third parties, should be turned over. Speaking about the order, Ripple's General Counsel Stu Alderodi commented, "We are pleased with the court ruling that gives Ripple access to important documents that the SEC has been hiding. We will continue to aggressively defend this case, and we remain optimistic that resolving this case will bring much-needed clarity to the industry." One of the documents that the SEC will have to provide is a draft of William Hinman's speech in 2018. The draft of the email contains excerpts from Hinman's speech, in which he informed the audience that, in his opinion, Ether is not a security. This speech is of great importance for the crypto industry, as the first 60 million ETH were sold to raise funds for the Ethereum Foundation. However, Ether is now regarded as a commodity subject to the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, an organization that ignores derivative products based on cryptocurrency. Hinman stated at the time that his speech reflected his own views, and Justice Netburn referred to this in her decision, stating, "The personal views of agency employees are not protected by privilege, unless they are related to the formulation or implementation of policy-oriented judgments." Accordingly, emails concerning speech or drafts are neither preliminary nor advisory documents entitled to protection. However, the judge also ruled that a separate email sent by the former director the day before the speech did not need to be turned over. The documents related to the legal analysis of XRP conducted by SEC staff contained the preliminary opinions of SEC staff during the XRP investigation conducted by the Enforcement Division. The live XRP price today is $0.77 with a 24-hour trading volume of $1,583,000,000. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. Now, it is time to reveal who is the lucky winner of our giveaway. We randomly selected one fan who fulfilled all the conditions. And the winner is John Stewart. Congratulations, John Stewart. So XRP Army, let's all congratulate John Stewart in the comments section below, and tomorrow we will relaunch our weekly giveaway free 500 XRP. Now, let's get back to the video. Do you think XRP can win the SEC? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.